Welcome one more time to our channel. Today's video I am so excited because I hear a lot about this product. We are doing a review and the Airbrush Flawless Foundation for Charlotte Tilbury, and I can't wait to see this because I did the trial with Delandia and Bloomingdale. Then now I want to try it with my hands, and one of my favorite person in the world, one of my best friends, Crystals. Then I hope you can see all the way to the end, and then you'll find the information I will share with you about this. I don't know what is direction I am going to take in with this makeup because the main thing is the foundation, and share with my friend. Let's see what's coming on with this. Try to enjoy, and remember, subscribe, share and like before you start the video, and send us love. Check all the link down below till you find the information specific about every product we are sharing here. In this video, we are going to concentrate on the review of the foundation. If you want to follow step by step the eye process, you can go to the next video on the top. But still, you can see some part of the process in this video and what products we are applying. The description of the website from Charlotte Tilbury, they mention the next. Charlotte has used her color artistry to create a formula to seamlessly balance your unique skin undertones and optimize your overtones. When finding your flawless shade, leave 5 minutes for the true colors to optimize. Airbrush Flawless Finish. This product is vegan friendly, gluten free, and sulfate free. For more details, we are going to add the full description and the list the ingredients down below. To apply the start of this video, the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, I am going to use the foundation brush from Real Technique by Sam and Nick. I think so this is the line they are using. And you can start noticing I am using a very light layer, but the way it blends with the corrector and contouring is this product making look very graceful, and that makes me very happy. While I am applying this foundation, I am asking to my model how she feels, and she is feeling. You have to wait until the end to know what is her answer. To setting, because after wait the 5 minutes they suggest on the website, I decide to don't apply any setting powder and only use my bareMinerals blush and luminizer and a little of Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer to give her a little of sun skin and her undertone skin. Now, this is the final look, and I hope you stay all the way to the end to see the review. And thank you so much, Crystal, my model of today, to share one more adventure with me. And people, go to the next and wait to see the final process. For bad luck, I can give you the review for all day, or at least how many hours she can wear this, because we don't live near, and in the situation we are in right now, we cannot be for longer together. Then, this is the point. For application, I will say I am more than impressed. It's a very, really good foundation. I love the way it works, and really the finishes, and the name is 100%. Yes, you find that look like airbrush. I love how it works. I like it's not heavy, and it's definitely not full cover. I think you can build with that foundation, but especially for mature skin will work perfect if you know how to set up that kind of look. She feel very happy. She was consistent. I was asking her how she feel on the skin, and most of the word she used was is very light, and she don't wear a lot of makeup. Normal, she only wear like a little tint and liner. That's it. That is her full makeup for the day. She was very impressed. She was enjoying the application and wear for at least 1 hour. Stay with me after the makeup. Then I will say I will give you to this foundation for some people who don't like heavy makeup, 10 of 10. Let's go try, and I will say for the price is not really expensive at all. I will say is a very good keeping in your high-end foundation on your set. Please, friend, remember, thank you to be with us today, and don't forget, before you leave, subscribe, share, and like. And if you do something with this foundation, send us a picture, send us a review, and some tips and tricks you can share with us. Thank you one more time, and see you on the next. Bye.